So I got a few dishes to knock out. I'm going to try to clean up this stuff because I don't want any bugs to come and try to invade. Kind of over the bugs because they're like little ants, nothing too major. They're like really just little ants, but ants are so nasty. Okay. So yeah, so you guys can watch me do that. All right, what's up, guys? So I am just getting in from the gym. It started to rain, so yeah. So I decided to reset and do some cleaning. I'm about to do some dishes. I just finished the laundry. Probably gonna do some folding of my laundry and then wait for my grocery order to be delivered because I am starving. And yeah, so I'm about to just reset the apartment, but I just discovered that there's a leak. There's a leak somewhere. Looks like it's coming, water coming in because there is um, the water. It's like obviously it's a monsoon time right now, so we are having a lot of rain. So yeah, gotta reach out to the apartment building to let them know that it's raining. But yeah, so I'm going to check in with you guys when I am just cleaning. Nothing special. It's just a regular Tuesday. I cooked soup the other day, so I got a lot of oil in here. Um, this shit is gross. I haven't washed dishes like this, and so now I'm about to clean up a bit. This is another water shit. It's been irritating me, but they said they're on their way up here, so let's get there. All right, so let's just reset the bed. What have y'all been up to? I just posted on TikTok today that I missed about getting the States, more specifically Houston. Because I miss Frenchies. I miss the chicken so bad. I don't know why, but I've been craving Frenchies. So, yeah, coming here anytime soon. Bring some Frenchies. I'll do something nice for you. But you have to bring it to me though. Please. I'm begging. Oh yeah. Do y'all make your beds up every day? I make mine up every day. Yeah, make it up every day. This is, a habit. I just like to have habits. Routine. So I've noticed that as I'm getting used to being here, it's almost 2 weeks since I left the States. I noticed that I need routine in order to feel at home. I'm just trying to change that mindset and um, yeah, just kind of adjust and be adaptable to the change and the things being different. But yeah, so I am pretty much nearly done. I just need to fold my clothes, which I'm gonna get to soon. Take out the trash, and wait for my delivery, my food delivery order, groceries. Oh, then I'm gonna clean the bathroom. So the bathroom. I don't know if I showed you the bathroom, but the bathroom is really tiny. It just sink, mirror, trash can, stuff like that. And also, what's just very interesting is if you take that showers in the same space. Very interesting. I don't know. Show you. What up? Yeah, so, all right. Well, thanks for joining me on my cleaning day. I will just let the camera roll. You guys can just watch me. See you. Do y'all actually be folding your clothes, or do y'all just throw them in the drawer? These are actually some of my favorite underwear. I'm not gonna lie. It's so comfortable, especially like to work out in. Top tier, top freaking tier. Yeah, laundry day, cleaning day, reset day. I love so much purpose. Fun fact about me: I also do not like to fold clothes. I do love doing laundry though, but I don't like to fold clothes. I think it's stupid. I can just throw them in the drawer. But I'm trying to set new habits, and so I am folding my clothes moving forward. I think that it's good for your habits and also just good for your clothes. Not really, but whatever. That just sounded, I guess, prophetic. And just like that, about to chill out, wait for my order, my grocery order, and then I'm about to put my things away. And then I am going to probably read and then wait until I knock out. Probably watch a show or something and then go to bed. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. See ya on the flip side. So just 2 bags full of groceries. All right, guys. So I let's do a haul, a grocery haul. So I went to the store. Well, I ordered from the store called Co-op, something Co-op Market. But I got some dragon fruit. So I got two of those. Two of those. I got some potatoes. I got some apples. So small, cute, but they're small. Got some apples. I got there's like a bag of apples actually. I got a bag of mangoes. Mangoes have been hitting. I've had already two. Um, got a bag of peanuts. It's like mixed nuts. I think I got some rice. I don't know what type of rice this is, but oh yeah, just regular white rice. I got some rice. I have two avocados. This is the avocados. It's crazy. You can let those ripe. Um, this is peanut butter. Super tiny, but I needed some. Let's see, but yeah. Trash. I got some fish. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't want it to spill. I got tiny onions. What else? Ate a broccoli. I don't know why it came like this, but some broccoli. Oh, I got another onion, so 3 onions technically. Got some big carrots. And a watermelon, which I'm so excited about this. This is a watermelon. I think it might be seedless. I don't know, but I got watermelon. I don't think you did a good job by looking at it, but we'll see. Hopefully. But yeah, can you guess how much this was? All of this? I think it was under $20, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's my grocery haul. Can't beat it.